This is Ethan Goller, President of Structural Graphics, and I want to talk today about a case study actually a production case study for a project that we worked on with Pentagram Design and 53 West 53, a luxury condo being built above MOMA on 53rd Street in New York City. This was a sales aid that the listing agent sent out to other real estate agents around the world to showcase this incredible building being built on top of MOMA. The unit, when it opens, plays a video. It's a 2-chapter video. You have a pause button here, chapter 1 and chapter 2 here. So if I want to change to chapter 2 in midstream, I simply hit the chapter button. At the end of the production, after the job was delivered and a very successful campaign, about a week later the client came back to us and said, "We've got a special event. It's happening in Japan. It's happening on Friday, and this was on a Tuesday. How can we take these video units and repurpose them in another way to do this challenge?" Instead of when you open it playing chapter 1, and then when you press the chapter 1 button or chapter 2 button, it goes to that chapter, how can we make it play chapter 2 first and then play chapter 1 when you press the chapter 2 button? Well, the video units, the way they're loaded, that's not a terribly difficult task. However, the buttons are hard-coded in the firmware so that when you press the second button, it is going to play that hard-coded second video. So, we started to work with a programmer, and we came up with a great solution. We recoded on the fly the firmware so that we changed the programming of the buttons so that when you pressed the chapter 2 button, it played chapter 2, but now it had been switched to chapter 1 and vice versa. Therefore, we were able to do it in-house in Connecticut, here in our headquarters, in our studio. It took about 4 hours to recode the firmware, to reprogram all 60, and then have it FedExed International and arrived on time that Friday in Japan. Thank you.